guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Welcome back to the channel. Are you excited for our first reveal? So we have a brand new box of the month, and guess what? This month we have added the junior box of the month. So now you can get the box of the month in a smaller size. So the junior box of the month will come with one paper pad, one ephemera pack, 2 stamp sets instead of the 3 stamp sets, the 2 paper pads, and the 2 ephemera packs that you get in the large box of the month. So this reveal is for the box of the month and the junior box of the month. So these will be in both of those boxes. When you subscribe to either box, you're getting 18% off. I've adjusted the numbers so that the subscribers get the bigger discount, because we want you to be a subscriber. You can subscribe for as many months as you want. We would love you to stay for at least 3 months, and you can go into your account and cancel anytime. So we would love for you to become a subscriber. All you have to do to subscribe is hit that drop down menu, choose monthly for your frequency, and then you're going to see the 18% off discount in your shopping cart. So I am revealing Farm Sweet Farm. It is just such a precious collection. So we've got cute farm animals. Look how adorable. So we've got that really cute, I think that's an ox. So we've got these really cute farm animals. There's a little sign that says Happy Farm. There's a cute little dainty little floral print in the background. There's a windmill. So we've got these lovely stripe pattern here with little gold flecks. Cute little pattern here with the stack of hay and the horse and the donkey. The little goat on top. Just adorable. And then we've got more critters, little chickens and ducks. We've got little chickens, little turkey, cute little chicks, roosters, and here's a nice deep brown for your background. Really cute. I love that pattern, this stripe pattern. It's really, really cute. And then really pretty sunflower pattern with some other florals in there. Love that green color. Here's that pattern on a light blue. And there's a cute little cow with some daisies on a yellow background. Here's a cute little scene that you can just make a card, a quick card from, or if you want to use that as a scrapbook page, or maybe you want to cover up like a box or something. And then this nice blue with the really pretty florals. And then we also have a barn. How cute is this really pretty dainty little floral print? Really, really cute. So the patterns are going to start repeating here. So we've got this stripe patterns. You can see one is darker than the other. Just an adorable paper pad. And of course we have to have the matching ephemera. These are going to make some adorable cards. I can't wait to see your projects. If you do any projects on social media, hashtag me at NotTooShabbyShop. That way I can find your creations. Just the images are just so sweet. I love the touch of floral with all the farm images. Look at this pig. I used to love pigs when I was younger. Me and my best friend would sit there and just doodle pigs all day. Here's a cute windmill. Little horse and then a goose. Look at that sheep, is adorable. There's another pig in a different size. We've got some feed. I love the little barrel with the pretty little flowers. The cute goat. We've got some birdhouses. Cute little duck. Little sign that says Happy Farm. An adorable cow. Rooster. Here's another, you compare these two together. It looks like the mommy and the baby cow. And then we've got some scenes already created for you. Little fence, the windmill. It's a cute little scene. Super fun. Here's a spray of wheat. Very, very cute. I love it. So we're going to make a card. Stick around. Okay, I've got to use either this one or this one. So I'm just going to rip this out. I love that pattern. I love this one too as well. So I'm going to rip that out. Maybe I could use the back side of this one. We'll pick out some images. There's just so many cute ones. Okay, so I got all my pieces cut out, ready to be put together. So let's go ahead and add some glue to these panels. I thought I might as well do 2 cards at the same time. So who's excited for this month's release? Let me know down below. Are you excited about the junior box of the month, as well as the I Want It All box of the month? You get all the collections. So if you're a current subscriber, nothing will change. You are locked in at your rate. So if you are a subscriber, the prices will never go up on you unless the price of shipping changes. So, but as of now, I don't see it changing anytime soon. Hopefully gas prices don't go way up. We will have some add-ons available. So we are going to reveal that probably on a release day. So make sure you come back on the 1st for our hop and giveaway. We do a YouTube hop with inspiration from the new products in the box. So I will also share the add-ons that we have this month. And you can also pick up some of the items a la carte. 2 of the stamp sets are exclusive to the box. And if I have any left over from the other stamp sets, I will list that individually, but there will only be a handful. For our paper pad club, we are starting something new where you have the option to add on to your subscription the option to add the coordinating ephemera. It will be 1 set of ephemera that you will be able to add on as a recurring order. You can choose how many you want of that ephemera. Say you wanted 2 extra packs or 2 packs added on to your paper pad subscription. You are able to do that, and then it will be a recurring order. So you can get the Paper Pad Club subscription with or without the ephemera. So it'll be a coordinating ephemera to one of the paper packs. You get 2 in the club. So new and exciting things coming. We will also be doing a channel membership where you can support the YouTube channel by doing a paid membership. So there is 3 tiers. I would love for you to check it out. If you are a frequent buyer at the Not Too Shabby Shop, our 2nd tier offers a exclusive coupon code and sales throughout the month for those channel memberships. So that is really exciting. If you're a really frequent buyer at the Not Too Shabby Shop, that membership will pay for itself by saving you some money over at the Not Too Shabby Shop. There's different perks. The 3rd tier if you wanted to join that one, you get all the other perks from the other tiers. But on the last tier, you will get a handmade card from me delivered to your doorstep. So each month you are a member with the channel membership, you will get a handmade card. So we could change it up and do a little bit of a different layout on this card. I think we'll do that. So we could have two different layouts. I'm going to add some paper under here so we have a level panel. Okay, so these are the images that I want to use on this card. I'm going to pop these up. Actually, I'm going to pop up the chick. I'm going to glue that one straight down, as well as this one. Okay, and I'm just going to have him holding the little handle. I'm going to grab some enamel dots and let's decorate the inside. I'm going to add 2 little enamel dots to the corners. And then I'll do 2 smaller ones at the top. And then I'm going to add this color. I'm just going to add a few enamel dots sprinkled around. And let's decorate the inside. I'm taking scrap paper. Just cut it down to a little strip. And then we'll add that to the bottom. And then I'll add a little image. Cute little duck would be cute right there. So there's the first one. Okay, so I'm going to add the inside first. All right, let's figure out what we want to do on the front. I think I want to do the little donkey because there's a little donkey and a horse. Maybe we can have those two together. Kind of like the picture, and then we have a bale of hay. I'm going to add some foam tape to the back of my characters. So I'm going to take a little banner and stamp out the sentiment "Howdy." This sentiment is in one of the stamp sets that I will reveal later on. So let's put that down. I'm using VersaFine Claire and Nocturne for my sentiment. And I'm going to stamp it one more time. I'm going to add some foam to the back. Okay, I want to add the hay bale flat onto the card. Move it over just a little bit. There we go. How cute is that? This one would have been cute too, the girl version. And then I'm going to add just a little birdhouse to the inside. and then add some enamel dots. Okay, so that will complete the second card. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. It was quick, easy, and fun. And the inside looks cute as well. So this release goes live June 1st, 9 a.m. Central Time. Meet me back tomorrow for another reveal at 1 p.m. Central Time. See you guys then. Bye guys.